Hey everybody, I have a follow-up to the 10% eBay bucks. It's still on for today. It will end at 11:59 Pacific Standard Time. So we still have time to take advantage of the 10% eBay bucks for those of you who have it. But I also have additional information about new coins and some additional accessory products. The video that I did yesterday kind of opened up some topics for new discussion, so I'll cover that too. But before we get into the coins, I just want to mention that International Stacker is doing a big time giveaway, 35 free ounces of silver. In order to enter, just visit his video, which I left the link down below in the description, and you need to subscribe, give it a thumbs up, and then enter by March 12th, right? It closes March 12th, so you got another 7 days to enter. Just comment below, say what you got to say, and you'll be entered into his giveaway. This is a listing that Silver Newjack had mentioned. It is a little bit more expensive than if you were to buy it directly from bullion dealers. But then again, this one does not have, at least for me, it does not have sales tax. Now it says here you're going to get $20.29 back in eBay bucks, which is really cool. And then you have $5.95 shipping here, but it says here free shipping on orders over $99. So it comes out to be a decent deal. If you were to buy this directly from a bullion dealer, it comes out to like 183 to 85, depending on whether the dealer charges you sales tax or not. On this one here, from what I can see, there's no sales tax on it. So I will leave a link down below for this one, and thanks to Silver Newjack, he found this one, so we'll give him credit for this one. All right. Now there was another YouTuber, his username was ASMR People. He left a link for this listing here. The problem is it's from AppMex, so people are going to get charged sales tax, right? But you do get back 10% on this, which is pretty cool. So it'll work for people who don't get charged sales tax from AppMex, and I'll leave a link down below for this. Now, Thrasher Maui and Losing Louie on YouTube mentioned the Simpsons coin, which you can technically buy directly from the mint. The Perth Mint released this recently, and people are talking about it. So I checked upon the eBay listings here, and you can actually get 10% eBay bucks on the Simpson coins. Take a look at that. You get $8 for an $80 purchase, right? So that'll bring it down to 72 bucks, and you don't have to buy directly from the Perth Mint. So this guy has 4 or more at 70. Oh, if you buy 4 or more, you get $74.39. So up to you how many you want to buy, right? So the more you buy, the more, I think, the more eBay bucks you're going to get. So I'll leave a link down below for this for those who are interested in buying it. To me, when I saw the coin, I'm like, why would anybody want to buy Simpsons coin, right? But like, I don't know much about Simpsons other than it's just a cartoon show that that people watch, and I didn't think nothing of it. But apparently there's a very big following of Simpsons. It's been on for 30 years. Doctor Who had chimed in, sending me an email saying, yeah, it's an ongoing cartoon series that people love. So okay, there's a lot of fans, I understand that, but at the same time, would cartoon fans want Simpson coins, right? Like, would they want it on a silver coin, and do they even care about coins, right? So that's the part where I'm not sure. Like, maybe there are a lot of coin collectors that watch Simpsons and they like it, so they're the ones buying it, or even just regular Simpsons fan buying this coin just because Simpson bought Homer. I think this is Homer, right? He's on the coin. And I think Losing Louie said there's like an 8 or 9 coin series, and this is the 8th one or something like that. So correct me if I'm wrong. But yeah, I'll leave a link down below for this. You get $8 back, well, at least on this listing, right? And I'll leave a link for the entire, search results here. You got maybe 5 of them here so far. Okay. Silver Bean Counter, I think it was. He mentioned buying some like junk silver, he said, right? And he likes to buy those quarters and $half, which is cool because it's still silver, right? And I was looking around for rolls rather than, from actual dealers, rather than buying it from, regular people. Then if you start buying from regular people, you might get it cheaper, but then again, you might get some fakes in there too. So for those of you who want to take that route and buy from other eBayers, you're gonna need that CCT slide to check each and every one of the coins, right? and I do have a few in stock right now for the premium slide, but more are coming in, so stay tuned for that. Okay, so I was looking through junk silver, and there's all different kinds of junk silver, right? And this one is a roll of 20 of $half, right? Benjamin Franklin $half. And with most listings in the US coins category, you should get eBay bucks, right? So I went hunting around for Mercury dimes, starting, I put in like 50 bucks or higher, and this one came up 63.79, and this will qualify for eBay bucks as well. But the question is, are you really getting a good deal or not, right? That's the part we really want to know. Here's another listing for a little bit cheaper from the Coin Exchange. I think it just says CE Coin Exchange. I'm not familiar with them, but they do seem to have a lot of transactions and very good positive feedback. So we should be okay with these guys. And then we have one more here at 118.27 for quarters. So how do you calculate whether you're getting a decent deal, right? So let's just say you wanted to get this one, right? You wanted to get 20 $half, $10 face value, and you get $12.39 back, right? So 123.85, right? I want to say times 0.98, right? So you get 2% cash back. There's a couple dollars off, right? And then minus this, right? $12.39. So it comes out to about $109, right? That's why I had 109 there before. Now let's add that and clear. So what we need to do is find the melt value for this coin, right? And then you go to a page like this. I think this is coinflation.com. And where is Benjamin, right? Where is the Franklin guy? There it is, right here. And it says that it's worth about $5.45 melt value per coin, even though it's, face value is 50 cents. The silver melt value is $5.45, right? So let's just say we do 5.45 times 20 coins. It's 109, right? And then when you do the recall, it was 108.98. So you're getting these quarters exactly at spot, right? Like you're like getting spot price basically. So that's how you would calculate it. It's just that we need to be able to calculate these figures based on the spot price currently and the amount of silver content in each of these junk silver coins. So I will leave some links for this down below for the Benjamin Franklin $half, and possibly other ones that if I come across, I'll leave them down below in the description area. And the last part was YouTuber Big A Armory asked me about digital microscopes, right? Pluggable USB 2.0 digital microscope. This is an affordable one for 35 bucks. Unfortunately, it doesn't qualify for the eBay bucks because it has to be over $50. But he asked, hey, Mr. V, do you know anything about which one to get? And I did a lot of digging about this like several years ago. There was a YouTuber, Silvernauts, and he bought one and was showcasing the wedge-tail eagle. in one of these digital microscopes, and he actually recorded his screen showing people how we can check for flaws and stuff like that, right? And I believe the one he was using was called Celestion, right? And this one is $69. This is the new model where they got rid of the orange, and this is the new model where the stand is a little bit different. This one has like a metal chrome clasp, and this one has a black one, and the stand looks a little different, right? So this is the C version, and this is the B version, right? Like he has the B. They're pretty much the same price. It's, you know, it makes no difference. This is a little bit more money, and I'm not sure why. Perhaps the camera lens is better, and you do qualify for eBay bucks on this one. And this one you can actually make an offer. Maybe this one too you can make an offer to. Yeah, you can. So either one, I remember Silvernauts using it, and this one goes up to 150. So not as big as the pluggable. I think it goes up to 200. Let me see. 250. Oh wow. So this is a little bit more powerful, but the quality of the lens and the megapixels is where it's at, I think. And if you want it a little bit better, there's another one here by Celestion, 44308, which is more money, but the megapixels on the camera, I believe, is 5, right? This one is 5 megapixel. Yeah, and Focus is the one that's selling it. So yeah, here it is, 5 megapixel digital photo video. So the quality will be a little better, you know, in terms of richness, right? So this is $99.95. You could do a make offer. You might get it a little bit cheaper, but you will get $10 in eBay bucks, which is kind of cool. And this one has up to 200 times magnification. So if we're trying to just kind of start out and begin, I would recommend this one here. You know, and you can use it for both PC and Mac. This one says it's flexible arm observation stand for Mac, comma, and then it kind of got cut off. But I think you can do it for both PC and Mac, right? Let's see, yeah, Windows compatible as well. So I would go with this if you want to save money, but if you want the better resolution, I think, then you would go with the $99 one. But I'll leave links for all of them down below if you're interested in getting something like this. What I don't like about both of these is that they give you a white board, right? Like the white stand down below. And let me see the other one here. Yeah, this one is also white. And ideally for us, because we're coin people, right? We're coin collectors. It's better to have like a darker background to give it a contrast, because most of our coins are going to be silver. So we would need to put some type of black cloth underneath to give the nice contrast for either of them. But for now, if you want to start out, get one of these. And the key with these microscopes is actually the software, right? If you get the software that does a lot of stuff, then it's cool, right? So until we buy one, or at least I buy one, I can't really give a really good review of this. So to be continued. Maybe I'll get this one, you know, maybe I'll get this one, or you know, even the $60, $70 one. I'm kind of leaning towards this one though, but maybe if I do get it, I'll do a video and do a showcasing of the actual microscope and the coin that we could look at. So that's it for now. If you guys have any other listings that you're looking at that you thought it was good, you can let me know in the comments. And if you're brand new to the channel, you're watching this video for the first time, please hit the subscribe and the notification button so that you can get alerts to things like this. And I will be having a 6,000 subscriber giveaway soon. So that giveaway is going to be offer to only those people who are subscribed to my channel. All right, so thanks for watching. Leave any comments down below if you have any questions or anything like that, and if you found the video useful, please give it a thumbs up, and I'll speak to you guys later. Thanks.